Ladies and gentlemen, friends, dreamers, imagine a tiny seed. Within it lies the potential to grow into a mighty oak, towering majestically over the forest. But what if that seed began to doubt itself? What if it listened to the whispers of the wind saying you're too small, or the shadows murmuring you'll never reach the sun? It would never sprout, and its greatness would remain buried in the soil. We are all like that seed. Each of us carries incredible potential within, waiting to blossom. Yet too often we allow the whispers of doubt to stifle our growth. We let fear and insecurity overshadow our dreams, convincing ourselves that we are not enough. But here's the truth: you are enough. You have everything you need to succeed right inside you. Think about it. Every great achievement in history started as a simple idea or a small action. The world's most influential figures, scientists, artists, leaders faced obstacles and doubts just like we do. But they chose to push through those barriers. They embraced their potential instead of succumbing to fear. Now, consider this. What would happen if we all decided to believe in ourselves? If we silenced those negative whispers and nurtured our dreams instead? Imagine the impact we could make not only in our own lives, but in our communities and beyond. I urge you to take a moment and reflect on your own life. What dreams have you shelved because of doubt? What potential have you allowed to lie dormant? Don't let those whispers win. You have the power to change your narrative. Let's commit to nurturing our inner seeds together. Let's choose to believe in our potential and take bold steps toward our goals. Remember, every mighty oak began as a small seed that refused to give in to doubt. So today I challenge you: plant your seed, water it with belief, and watch it grow. The world is waiting for your greatness. Believing in yourself isn't about arrogance. It's about recognizing the incredible worth and potential that you already have within you. It's about quieting those nagging inner critics and nurturing a garden of self-belief where your dreams can take root and thrive. The core message I want to share with you today is this: your potential is limitless. You are capable of extraordinary things, but it all begins with believing in yourself. Think about it. How often do we hold ourselves back because of doubt or fear? Each one of us has a unique set of talents and abilities waiting to be unleashed. When you believe in yourself, you unlock doors that once seemed closed. You transform challenges into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones toward success. But let's be honest, self-doubt can be a powerful adversary. It whispers lies that tell us we're not good enough, smart enough, or deserving enough. This is where the battle truly lies. You must choose to reject those negative thoughts and replace them with affirmations of your worth. Remember, whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right. This quote by Henry Ford captures the essence of self-belief. Some might argue that self-belief alone isn't enough, that skills and opportunities matter more. While it's true that hard work and preparation are crucial, consider this: without belief in yourself, how can you even begin to pursue those skills or seize those opportunities? Self-belief is the foundation upon which everything else is built. Let's take a moment to reflect on some inspiring examples. Think of Oprah Winfrey, who rose from humble beginnings to become a global media mogul. She faced countless obstacles, yet her unwavering belief in herself propelled her to greatness. Or consider J.K. Rowling, who was rejected by multiple publishers before finally achieving phenomenal success with the Harry Potter series. Both of these women faced significant challenges, but they never stopped believing in their potential. Now, it's your turn. I urge you to take a step back and evaluate your own beliefs about yourself. What dreams have you put on hold because of self-doubt? What extraordinary things could you achieve if you truly believed in your own abilities? It's time to cultivate that garden of self-belief. Start small, set achievable goals, and celebrate each victory, no matter how minor it may seem. Surround yourself with positive influences and affirmations that uplift you. Challenge your inner critic and replace negativity with encouragement. So I ask you, are you ready to embrace your limitless potential? It starts with a single thought, of belief in yourself that can change everything. Take action today, invest in your self-belief, and watch as your dreams begin to flourish. Together, let's create a world where we support one another in this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Your extraordinary future awaits. How do we cultivate this all-important self-belief? It starts with self-discovery. This journey requires you to take the time to truly understand who you are, your strengths, your weaknesses, your passions, and your values. It's about bravely asking yourself the tough questions. What really sets my soul on fire? What am I genuinely good at? What kind of impact do I want to make in this big, beautiful world? Now, I know what you might be thinking, self-discovery. Sounds like a fancy term for staring at myself in the mirror. But hang on. This isn't just about admiring your dazzling smile. It's about diving deep into your own mind and heart. Think of it as an adventure, like being an explorer in the wild jungle of your own existence. You wouldn't go on an adventure without a map, right? So why would you navigate life without knowing yourself? When you take the time to uncover your true self, you equip yourself with the tools to tackle life's challenges. Imagine trying to build a house without knowing what materials you have. You'd end up with a wonky structure that could collapse at any moment. Similarly, understanding your strengths allows you to leverage them when the going gets tough, while acknowledging your weaknesses helps you prepare for growth. Let's face it, everyone has something they're passionate about. Whether it's baking the perfect chocolate chip cookie, who doesn't love cookies, painting masterpieces that would make Picasso nod in approval, or even rescuing kittens from trees, finding what sets your soul ablaze is crucial. And remember, it doesn't have to be grand or earth-shattering. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. So I urge you embark on this journey of self-discovery. Grab a journal, take long walks in nature, or even meditate. Heck, try talking to yourself. It's not crazy if you're doing it for self-improvement. Ask those tough questions and be ready for the answers, even if they surprise you. And here's the kicker: by believing in yourself, you not only change your own life, but also inspire others to do the same. Just think of all the people out there waiting for someone to lead by example. You could be that person. In conclusion, don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Embrace who you are and let that self-belief shine bright like a disco ball at a dance party. So go ahead, take that leap into self-discovery and watch how it transforms your life and the lives of those around you. The world is waiting for your unique spark. Start a journal. Seriously, grab a pen and some paper or your favorite digital device and let your thoughts flow. Write down your feelings, your dreams, and yes, even your fears. It's like having a heart-to-heart with your best friend, only this friend won't judge you for that embarrassing crush or that weird dream you had last night. Journaling helps you spot patterns in your thoughts and feelings. Ever notice how you keep stressing over the same thing? Writing it down can shine a light on those pesky cycles and help you gain clarity about what's really going on inside. Plus, it's a fantastic way to process everything without needing to pay a therapist, at least not yet. And who knows, you might even discover some hidden gems about yourself along the way. So why not give it a shot? Your future self will thank you, and you might just save a few bucks on therapy. Ask your trusted friends, family, or mentors for honest feedback. Sometimes others can spot our strengths better than we can ourselves. It's like having a personal cheerleading squad that sees the potential in you, even when you're too busy doubting yourself. Now, I get it, putting yourself out there for feedback can feel like jumping into a cold pool. You might hesitate thinking, what if they don't see my awesomeness? But here's the kicker: those who care about you want to help you shine. They've got your back, and their insights could unlock doors you never even knew existed. Think of it this way: when you're stuck in a maze, it's hard to see the exit when you're inside it. But your friends, they've got the bird's eye view. They can point out the clear paths and the walls you might be bumping into. Plus, they might share stories of their own struggles because, let's face it, everyone has them. So why not embrace the chance to grow? Sure, you might hear something you didn't want to hear, but that's part of the journey. Constructive criticism is like a gym workout for your mind. It might be tough at first, but it builds strength over time. And hey, if they can't see your brilliance right away, just remind them I'm a work in progress. After all, even diamonds need a little polishing. So go ahead, gather your squad and ask for that feedback. You'll be surprised at how much clearer your path will become, and who knows, you might just discover talents you never knew you had. Let's make the leap together and transform those doubts into confidence. Your future self will thank you. The time for self-doubt is over. It's time for self-discovery to take center stage. The moment to unleash your potential is now. You have everything you need within you to chase your dreams. Trust me, you are stronger than you think, more capable than you imagine, and far more worthy than you believe. So I ask you today, what seeds of potential will you plant? What dreams will you nurture? What mountains will you climb? The world is waiting for you to shine. Seriously, it's like a spotlight just waiting for you to step into it. Believe in yourself, and guess what? You'll be unstoppable. Now, here's my challenge. Take one small step today toward your dreams. Just one. Write down a single goal, take one tiny action, or make one phone call. Start small, but start now. Because remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And that step, it's all about believing in yourself. So go out there and make your mark on the world, and if you trip on your way there, just laugh it off. After all, even the best mountain climbers occasionally stumble over a rock. Thank you so much.